Summers here, 31, drummer for 15 years now, drummer for a band called Castle Point, New Jersey local band. Look us up. Anyways, I'm here with Collision. Ta-da! That way. These are some 5Bs. They're mighty strong. They have good bounce. I really like the way they feel in my hand. They're almost so smooth you can let go, but you won't because they actually have some grip. Anyways, I look forward to catching y'all with Collision and Castle Point. Where we going?
We're live.
Let me feel you. You know what's on my mind. Now how do you control me? But I never realized it. Maybe you should not have met me. This dagger in my heart. Well, I come home every night. I sing us a melody. Oh, it sometimes soothes me. Well, so this is all I say. I don't come home anymore. No, I'm on the streets all night. Lord, I think of you, girl. So this is all I say. Yeah. We watched the nuclear weapon ascend toward the heavens. Then I will die so happy that you my little girl. Then I will die so happy as a million pieces shatter the sky.